Hi, welcome to this short video just showing a buy signal, PTI signal for the upside in the pre-market session that we've got at the moment with the Dow. There's enough volatility there. The spread on the trade is 3 points at the moment, though. That's the only difference. So let's just turn the play button on and watch this trade just start to unfold. There's the indication that the trade has been qualified. And there you see me buying the market. Trade filled, and then it's just a matter of waiting to see what happens. So I'm going to fast forward, of course, because this was over at least half an hour or so, and we don't want to see every tick at the time. So I'll just get to the relevant points in the recording so you can see what actions were taken at that time. So the market moved higher and then sold off, and I thought, well, we're in for a loser this morning. The German market had actually opened, and I thought, well, prices are going to come back down and test the 16,400 and then go below and retest the low that we saw earlier on in the session. But that wasn't the case. The market, as I just fast forward went for you, you can see it came back through, turned around, and then shot back up. And you can see the volume increasing there as well as prices drive higher, and then you see the scalp target hit. And of course, at this point, if you just want 20 points, you can take that off the table. But I know that these psychological lines is generally where the market will trade to. Incredibly powerful. The market's already found support here, so we're likely to go up and have a look at the 450 level. So that's precisely what I sat and waited for. I've put the lines back on because they disappear after the trade has completed the scalp, and there you can see there's 22 points, and I'm just watching the market to see what it does. There's a lot of volume coming in. Again, the market's making no progress, and it looks like there's some selling around at this time, and then the selling is actually confirmed, which we see there with the professional selling bar. And then the market absorbs the selling, moves higher, and we see the market then gap above the 450 level there. And what I've done now is draw on this extension here, the 0% down to or across to the 484 level there, just to see if the market struggles with it. Prices then find some resistance. You can see the volume increase in there, so the professionals are now in the market. You see the market drive through, and for me this starts to look a bit slightly odd in its price action. It seems as if it's run out of steam, and what I decided to do was to take the profits off the table at this point. Plus I also had an appointment that I had to go to as well. So instead of sitting here waiting to see what happens and see if the market would hit the target, there was just something about the way this bar opened. It had lost all of its momentum. The volume was incredibly low, and for some unknown reason, just instinctively, and after 20 plus years of sitting watching charts, it looked like there was a bit of weakness around. So I'm just having a look at it just to give it a chance to see if it's going to take out this resistance line or not. And also keeping in mind that I have to actually dash off, and we're sitting there with a profit of 77 points at the moment. And as I just move forward, you will see me actually close the trade out at around 73 points profit on this trade, and there you see the trade being taken out. And it was a good place to actually take out the trade as well, because shortly after prices actually moved lower, and I'll just show that to you as well. So when I returned after being out, you can see it was the right decision to make there, and prices then moving lower. But that's what you get with experience. You can tend to read what's going on. You can see there was low volume. It was as if it was the sort of the momentum in the market from the German Open, and also a possibility of the Chinese market as well having a bit of a rally before it closed. So therefore coming out of the trade there. But yeah, the market came back through and then went up, and it's just that in that sort of pre-market session up to 10 o'clock, it's fine at the moment. And there, just wanted to show you there was a successful trade there. There was also one here, but I missed that as I was busy recording and editing and uploading the market alert for this particular day, Monday the 14th of September. Right, that's it for this video. I shall see you in the next one.